Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we learn about day's name. Sunday.
S U N D A Y.
Sunday. Monday. M O N D A Y. Monday.
Tuesday. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Wednesday. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday.
Thursday. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Friday. F R I D A Y. Friday. Saturday. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday.
Thank you for watching. Please like and सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल और हम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय.